I'm going to teach you 3 takedowns to catch your opponents off guard and make you unpredictable. They all come from common positions and most of your opponents won't see them coming. Let's go. I call this first takedown the Fiser Duck, named after my coach, Travis Fiser, a 2-time All-American at Iowa under Dan Gable. We start with an underhook.
I want my hand capturing that shoulder and my forehead position just inside his front delt. This gets him focused on the control on that side and sells him on the fact that that's the side I'm attacking. I'm then gonna lower my level and take a deep outside step to the far side. I'm gonna drop my underhook hand down at the same time to capture the outside of the knee and then hit a knee on my stepping leg. I pivot 180 degrees, swinging my trail leg around behind me and facing the opposite direction, taking the captured leg with me. This move works by first convincing the opponent I'm going to attack his leg on the underhook side with my initial position.
Most of the time you'll get a panic reaction where they throw the far leg back when they realize you're going for the opposite leg. This leaves them off balance when I capture that knee and pull it with me. Quick pause because this matters. If you're training hard and watching instructionals but you still feel like you're not getting better, there's a reason for that. See, most wrestling courses have the same problem. They dump 100 techniques at you and say, good luck, go figure out how to train them. That's backwards. That's why I launched the Systematic Wrestling Fundamentals course. It's 7 modules, stance and core concepts, offense, defense, top, bottom, mindset, and training methods. Inside you'll find more than 100 instructional videos, written content, but most importantly, it's structured as a system, not a move library. You get a 12-week training program built using scientific principles to maximize your rate of progress so you're not guessing what to drill, when to drill, or how hard to push. You just follow the plan and improve faster. And so that nothing gets lost, every move comes with pre-made digital flashcards so that instead of kind of remembering positions, you actually lock them into memory. This is for wrestlers who don't want more moves, they want cleaner fundamentals, fewer mistakes, and techniques that actually show up in competition. If that's you, go to systematicwrestling.com, the fundamentals course is linked below. Next is the overhook far foot trip. This takedown's sneaky because it takes advantage of a bad position where my opponent has me jacked up with an underhook. From this position, he's trying to throw or maybe knee pick me. I secure my overhook and get wrist control on the far hand. I get my hips next to his, facing the same direction. Now, from here, I'm gonna give him a little bump with my hips to get him to step his far foot forward. The moment he steps, I step my inside leg in and hook his ankle with my foot. Then we drive in. I take him over the trap post, and as he falls, I let go of the far wrist and secure the foot, capturing it with the second hand as he falls. This takedown's a great way to put your opponent on your back, transitioning straight to side control in jiu-jitsu. It's called the dresser dump. From a front headlock position where my opponent has started the tripod up and pressure in to circle out of the position, I secure his far armpit and drop my inside shoulder into the pocket between his neck and shoulder. I shoot my arm deep and capture the far leg on the side of the armpit I have secured. From here, I drive him over that now trapped post, taking him straight to his back. All right, now you've got 3 takedowns you can use at any level to catch your opponents off guard. Get your reps in, drill this till it's second nature, get to work. What's happening? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, this one is my most recent, and the video I recommend personally for you is this one. If you've got a question or something you want me to cover in the future, drop me a line below. I read every comment. I love hearing from you guys. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one.